how to fix the government.id check app not working. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, go into your phone settings, search for iPhone storage. Now you will sort this by name and you want to go down until you see I. So right here you will see ID check, click on it, offload the application, and then you want to click on reinstall. Once you have done this, if it still doesn't work, the second thing that I suggest doing is restarting your phone. You will click on the power button in the top right corner and then you just want to restart your device. If that doesn't work either, then the last thing that I suggest doing is restarting the ID check app authentication process all over. So you will search for government.uk app, you will click on download here, and you want to begin the application process again from scratch, and that should fix the government UK ID check app not working. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.